Here we have an equation, a quadratic equation in its full complexity. So the a, the constant term is present, or sorry, the quadratic term is present, the b, the linear term is present, and the c, constant, is present. So here, this is the most difficult case because it's the most general case to solve for the factored form or the zeros. So first, you can recognize a pattern. And as long as that constant, that a right there, is 1, I'm comfortable doing this. So the question that you want to ask yourself is, you're looking for two numbers that multiply to give you 12 and add to give you a minus 7. So go through the factors of 12. There's no way to combine 1 and 12 to give you a minus 7. So that's not it. 2 and 6, there's no way to add or subtract 2 and 6 to give yourself a 7. So that's not it. But I think 3 and 4 is going to work because 3 times 4 does give you a 12. And you know that you can combine 3 and 4 in such a way to give yourself a minus 7, right? You can go down 3 and then down another 4 to get minus 7. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for x minus 3, x minus 4. In fact, let's double check that. X times x gives me x squared. X times minus 4 gives me minus 4x. Minus 3 times x gives me minus 3x. And minus 3 times minus 4 gives me plus 12. And those middle terms combine to give me that minus 7 that I'm looking for. So this is a good factorization. Now, if you can't observe the pattern there, or if you just don't want to, quadratic equation is always going to work. In fact, let's go through that. The quadratic equation told me my zeros are going to come from minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this will be 7 plus or minus square root minus 7 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So I get a 49 from the minus 7 squared. I get a 48 from the 4 times the 1 times the 12 all over 2. This gives me 7 plus or minus 1 over 2. So my first answer is 7 plus 1 gives me 8 over 2, gives me 4. My second answer is 7 minus 1, which is 6 over 2, gives me 3. But that's exactly what you told yourself by writing the factored form. Your zeros occur when x is equal to 3 or when x is equal to 4.